guys, welcome back to my channel for another video, another great opportunity. This is Take a Drop. If you are coming across to my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification icon. What I do, I post videos on how to make money online crypto drop. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to join SOF. It's a new project that you need to join and gain more points. Click on the link below in the description of this video. It's going to bring you straight to my Telegram community. When you are here on my Telegram community, you'll be able to see this post. Now go ahead and copy the link. But before then, if you have not subscribed to my Telegram, do well to subscribe for more updates. I normally drop posts. Now, we are going to use Mrs. Browser. I'm going to use Mrs. Browser to perform this task. When you open Mrs. Browser, look at where you will go. This place they say search or paste URL. Paste the link and load the site. I'm going to give it a little bit time. It will be able to come up. Okay, Crypto Ultimate AI, catch the next wave. So what you are going to do here is to connect your X, which is your Twitter account. Now click on connect with X. It's going to load you to your X. If you have not logged in your X here, you are free to log in. Now this is coming up for me to authorize. You will give it a little time because of network. Once it's pop up like this guys, go ahead and click on authorize. So it's now loading to authorize. It's now connecting. Okay, this is my dashboard. When you connect it, this is my current rank, 61,398 in numbers. I'm currently having 42 points. So there are other things to do to increase your points. Now I need at least 412 points to go to another level. Now you can earn by sharing your link. You need to copy this link just like this and you invite your friends. You are going to get at least 150 points once people join using your link. Now scrolling down, you are going to try SOF replay to get at least 150 points. Now click on this. You'll be able to see what they want you to do here. Now this one is find token to research. These are, you can try any of this. This other one is ask question. You can ask SOF agent to do. Now here now you can click on one. Let me start with this one. It's going to pop up another page. So now look at what they say here. It's going to do it. AI will do it automatically. So it's now processing reasoning. Okay, it's processing. You can see the results here. You can see the result here. You can use this is a user confirm that the steps are correct. You can confirm it if what they give you is actually correct. So without wasting time, we'll go back to the main page. You can check other questions here to enable you to earn more points. And this one is reasoning and it's going to give you details about this particular question. So you can see all this, you can take your time to read them. So I don't really need to read them now. I can go back. So guys, I have at least 192 points now for doing those tasks. I still need 262 points to enter another level. You can see this one right completed, but you can still go ahead and do more. This one now you end up to 900 points. So you will go ahead and do a lot of things here to earn points. This is to provide question. If you click on here, you can ask crypto question. Now let's say I want to ask a question. So I will do something like how does crypto work? Things like this. I'm just trying to use this simple thing. Now I will submit this. Now you see this one is completed. Going up here, you see my points has actually increased. So you can still use this place every day. You come and check them and you'll be able to get more points. Here you'll be able to follow them on X. So if there is any update, you will easily get information across all their social media platform. Now I'm going to subscribe to their X account so that anytime they drop information about this project, I will be able to receive information so that you will not miss out. Now you can see it loading. Okay, I just followed now. I'm following them on X. They have about 34,000 followers. You can get other useful information right here. Now going back to the platform, you see I just follow them and my points has added. This is all you need to be doing to earn more points, and you need to stick to the information. If there is any new updates, I will gladly bring it up to you. Now down here you see top taggers, people that have been earning more points and other useful information about this platform. This is where to get it. Now you start making more points so that at the TG time you'll be able to earn. Possibly you can earn up to $500 with this project or even more. Now you can share the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Do well to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.